Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dinar Current, where we bring you the latest updates on the Iraqi global currency trends and what they mean for your investment journey. Visual text. Today's IQD to USD rate. Insert date. Today is insert today's date. And in this video, we're breaking down the latest exchange rate for the Iraqi Dinar, how it's performing against the US dollar, and what recent developments might mean for future movements. As of this morning, the official rate from the Central Bank of Iraq is 1,310 Iraqi Dinar per SATO US dollar, which remains unchanged from yesterday's close. This is the government-backed official rate, and it's the benchmark used for most financial reporting. However, if you check the parallel or black market rates, especially in certain provinces or border areas, the exchange rate can vary slightly, sometimes hovering between 1,330 to 1,350 IQD per USD, depending on the demand dollar supply and local market pressure. Segment 2. Why this rate matters. Well, the Iraqi dinar is a heavily watched currency, especially among those who believe in its long-term potential. So why should we care about these minor fluctuations in daily rates? Whether you're holding dinar as an investor, a currency trader, or an expat sending money abroad, every small change could affect your overall returns. Also, in the context of revaluation rumors, many people track these movements daily looking for early signs of a rate shift. Though no official revaluation has been confirmed, as oil prices remain relatively high, Iraq's foreign reserves are stabilizing, which is a positive sign for currency strength. Meanwhile, political stability under insert leader's name continues to hold, which brings more investor confidence. Recent economic and political updates. Let's take a look at some of the most recent updates out of Iraq that may influence the dinar's value in the short term. This policy could impact demand for USD inside Iraq and thus affect IQD value. Oil revenues. Iraq's oil revenue for this month was reported at $insert number, contributing to more budgetary flexibility for the government. The official rate has remained relatively stable, but market sentiment changes fast. Anyone claiming otherwise is likely trying to sell you hype. Government stability. The Central Bank of Iraq recently reaffirmed its commitment to stabilizing the dinar and cracking down on black market trading. International trade moves. There's increasing pressure for Iraq to de-dollarize and conduct more trade in local currencies, especially with neighboring countries like Iran, Turkey, and China. What investors should know. So, what does all this mean for you, the investor? If you're holding Iraqi dinar, the key is to stay informed, not react emotionally to minor fluctuations, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss your daily DNR rate updates and expert analysis. Make sure you're repurchasing dinar from verified dealers or authorized currency exchange. Services scams are still common in this space, especially online. And remember, no official revaluation has been announced by the Central Bank of Iraq. Host voiceover with charts or infographics. Our short-term forecast suggests that the dinar will remain relatively stable over the coming week, especially if oil revenue stays strong and there's no major political disruption. However, always be aware, the regional tensions, US dollar fluctuations, or internal banking reforms can have sudden impacts. If you found today's update helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also, drop a comment below. Do you think the dinar will revalue this year? What's your personal dinar story? We'd love to hear from you. Follow us for daily dinar rate reports. Subscribe now.